Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to activate Kwik Trip Reward card. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your web browser and log into your kwikrewards.com account. When it comes to activating your Kwik Trip Reward card, let me tell you that Kwik Trip Reward cards don't actually require activation. They are active and ready to use as soon as you receive them from the store cashier. Upon purchase at the store, Kwik Trip Reward card are automatically activated, so if you got your card directly from a Kwik Trip location, you can start using it right away. Simply go ahead and present your Kwik Trip Reward card at checkout when making a purchase, and the cashier will scan the card to track your visits and apply any applicable rewards you might have earned. So that is how you will be able to activate your Kwik Trip Reward card. Since the card does not require any activation, I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.